Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. A scholarship fund and the keys to the City of Kingston are just two of the ways that the country will pay tribute to the national footballer Luton Shelton. The gestures were announced during a Thanksgiving service for the life of Shelton, who passed away last month following a 4-year battle with ALS. Members of the football and wider sporting fraternity joined family and friends to celebrate the life of the country's leading Reggae Boys goal scorer. With COVID-19 always a clear and present danger, all protocols were observed at the invitation-only ceremony. Tears mingled with laughter as tributes flowed about the man whose love affair with football began from a tender age. Shelton hails from Tivoli Gardens in Western Kingston, from where a youngster will receive a scholarship named in honor of their famous son.
I remember when I became the Member of Parliament, he came to see me. And we sat for about an hour. And he spoke about the many things that he wanted to do for the community, to give back to West Kingston. We want to remember him in a special way. And this morning I'm pleased to announce, following discussions with his mother and Bobette, that commencing in the new school year, the constituency of West Kingston will offer a full 5-year university scholarship to a West Kingston student in honor of Luton Shelton.
And his family will also receive the city's highest honor in Shelton's memory.
Because at the last sitting of council, Councillor Simit moved a motion to have a resolution at the next sitting of council, which is in March, for us to confer upon Luton the highest honor of the City of Kingston.
Shelton represented Harbourview from the youth stage, and the club chairman Carvel Stewart reflected on his journey.
First of all, the sadness has been around for quite a while now. Even a little bit before he was diagnosed with the illness. And when we saw his difficulties, it really was very painful. He was a stalwart, as you know, a leader among players, and of course, leader in goal scoring.
Shelton's former teammate and coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore also reflected on a life well lived.
Well, indeed, it's a sad day, but it's a reality. We just have to face up to the reality. We are here to pay our last respect. You know, a very sad moment, but as again, it's a part of it. Well, yes, it's something that we would like to see happen, not just for Luton Shelton. We have seen former players, you know, who pass on and drop out. So again, would love to see a name like Luton Shelton. You know, is a household name in Jamaica. So we'd love to see.
Shelton, who was predeceased by his father Luton Sr. just under 2 years ago, is survived by widow Bobette, 4 children, mother Precious, and several siblings. He will be laid to rest in a private ceremony at a later date.